Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video just yesterday on cake toppers, and I went through some extra steps. I have a gentleman that has helped me many a times. You know, there's two ways to do almost anything, at least two ways, and I never had thought about it. I've got two letters of text that I just used the shape tool, which I knew, you could cursor over it and have them touch. And I knew that worked, but you still can't weld it together because there's no weld. Well, I never had thought about this, but you go to object, go to shaping. In some Corel versions, it might be a range instead of object, and then just hit weld. This weld will work. I didn't have to convert anything to curves. I didn't have to break it apart. Now, we've got two letters of text, or basically two pieces of text. I'm going to left click, right click. I'm going to grab the shape tool, and this one's already done. This one I need to just nudge over a little bit. Now he, says that, suggested you don't need to break it apart. But if you want this to be movable, you can't just grab that. So you have to go Control K to get each one of them. That will break them apart. And see, I would have convert that to a curve now, but just go to Object, or your version might be Arrange, Shaping, and Weld. And if you ever get that inside a Corel Draw, you can just, it happens all the time, just move your mouse wheel in and out. And then go and select the topper part and go up to Object, Shaping, Weld. And then I would, I like doing that separately. You could have done all that together, but I like doing that. And now you could weld it. And what he suggested in the other way, sometimes the inside of your letters come out. What I do kind of like about it, it's a little quicker. You just got to get used to going up to Object and Shaping, and you could actually make that a hotkey, or I might do that in a future video. But so the weld screen comes up now, and then just make your stem, and if you didn't watch the other video, you might want to watch that to find out a little bit more information about that. And we'll cursor that over a little bit. My laptop is a little finicky on changing the keys back. And then just select all that, and then your weld key does work. So to just go over that one more time, what he was suggesting, and he's right. Let's grab the text tool, and I like two zeros, or two O's, not zeros. Left click, right click, and then you can grab your shape tool, and you can actually hit it with your arrow keys. And now the weld does not come up, but under Object in your version of Corel, it might be Arrange, Shaping, Weld, and it works, and the interiors stay. Anyway, I thank him again. He's helped me many good times. Hope that helped you a little bit. Thank you for watching.